Okay, here's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the Palms, Richmond Estate, Priory, St. Anne. It's in a gated community on the north coast of Jamaica. 24-hour security. Okay, let's look a little bit closer to the inside. Beautiful landscapes, palm trees, corner lot. Okay. This house is being sold with all the furnitures. It also has an attic space, which can be used as an office or additional sleeping area whenever you have guests over. Okay, this is guest room number 1. Guest bathroom. Linen closet. Guest room number 2. Master bedroom. In the master bedroom, you have a view of the board deck at the back. Nicely ventilated. Additional closet space. Vaulted ceiling. And each house in this neighborhood gated community have a solar panel. However, the board deck was installed by the owner.